No matter how much you spend on interiors, if the floor plan is wrong, functionality will always be a problem. A house should not just look good, it should feel comfortable and work efficiently. This is one of the projects that we did recently. This was the layout that the client shared with us. In today's video, I am going to discuss this project with you all. I am going to tell you what was the client's requirement, what I didn't find right in this layout, and how we designed this space. So let's start. The client wanted to have one master bedroom and one kids bedroom. He wanted to have separate study table for their kids, one workstation for himself, one proper drawing dining area, and one very good functional kitchen. So this was his major requirement. Now this is your main entry. This is your drawing dining area. This is your dining area. This is your balcony. Your kids room is here. Their wardrobe is here and here. This is the study. This is the master bedroom with the washroom here, and this is the washroom for the kids room. So this is the basic layout that we got from the client. Now when I was hired, the construction of this area was done. The toilet, we could not change the toilet layout, so I had to work with what I have. In this layout, your sofa is facing like this, and your TV is here, so it is not very functional. It should be like this. So we need to rotate our furniture like this. Now your dining is coming at the passage. You should place it somewhere else so that you can have a proper passage here towards the balcony. Your mandir and crockery is at the creating a negative space here, which is also not very appropriate. Actually this space is very big. This was somewhere around 25 feet, but it is looking very congested. Also the kitchen is not very functional. Whenever you're designing your kitchen, a good kitchen is to have maximum number of storage, proper working area. Also the kids room, the study with storage here they have given, but whenever you're designing your study for two kids, they should not be placed side by side. If they're studying together, it's going to be difficult for them. So these were the problems that I saw, and let's see how we designed the space. So this was the first layout that we created. In this, what we did, we placed a sofa like this, and this was a TV. Now they can easily watch the TV without any disturbance. Also, we placed our dining here because this was somewhere around 25 feet, so it could easily be done. The second thing what we did, we converted the balcony into a proper deck area where foldable study with proper seating area we proposed. Also, this house was not having any utility area, so we converted the powder into a utility area with some storage. Although the construction of this toilet was done, we shifted the door from here to here because it gave one proper wall for the study. We discussed this layout with the client and the client agreed to it. We made this structural changes over here. We added 24 inches shoe cabinet and crockery wall here, and also added one platform here for breakfast counter. And by shifting 24 inches this wall, we could easily accommodate one fridge and one good platform like this. This was the crockery and bar area. By placing our sofa like this and dining here, we could easily accommodate a passage here, and which was directed towards the deck, and by doing this, it gave a feeling of space. Also in kids room, what we did, we proposed a study plus wardrobe here, and one study was faced towards the window, and this was the book rack. In the master bedroom, we created one wardrobe here because we could not shift the door from here to here. See, it would have been a wonderful option if we could shift a door from here to here, so we could get one dead wall like this. So in case if they want to accommodate TV in future, it could be done, but in this case it is not possible. This was the first option that we created for the space. This was the other option that we created. What we did, we made some structural changes here. We took 24 inches from the powder washroom into our kitchen, converted this powder washroom into a storeroom, also created a proper deck area and covered it with a glass window so that it could be converted into a third room if in case needed. Extended a slab over here and created a window seating area, and this was a crockery plus mandir. This was a TV, and this was our sofa like this, and this was the dining area, and our circulation towards the balcony is like this, which is a wonderful circulation, so you're getting a proper feel of space here. We made a wardrobe here and study here so that they can see a proper space. See, if you are making your wardrobe here and study here, then it could create a blockage of space. So it's better if you are having a space like this, study plus wardrobe, keep your wardrobe at the back and study like this. Other study we created over here, it was a foldable study, and this was a book rack. a 2 separate bed for the kids with one common side table, and this was the window seating area. So this was the kids room layout. For the master bedroom, what we did, we created one wardrobe here and another wardrobe was here. It was existing wardrobe. This was the window towards the balcony, and we created a utility area over here. See, whenever you're designing your house, utility area is a must. So this was our second option and it was finalized by the client. Right floor plan is the foundation of great design. Get it right and everything else falls into place. Let me know in the comment section how you find the layout and which one you like the most. Thank you so much for watching. Also like, follow and subscribe to my channel because we keep sharing these practical videos like this related to floor plan, architecture and interior. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video soon. Bye.